I was asked multiple times over vacation how to do my top crown. I know y'all have seen it before. I don't really have a name for it, but I'm gonna show you. This also works as how to use the Go Sleek hair curlers. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, we're just gonna get straight to the point because I'm headed to work. So first things first, you just detangle your hair, or the weave, or both. For your hair, you have to be extra gentle if you don't want breakage. I've already moisturized the hair. I could do a little bit more. I think moisturizing your hair helps it to set while it's in the curlers. The moisturizer I'm using today is the Nassara moisturizer, Nassara Organics. Just a little bit, like that, yeah. Because I don't want my hair to revert. I just want it to be pliable, okay? Now, the Go Sleek hair curlers, it comes with 2 silk hair ties. It's made out of silk. That's why I actually recommend the Go Sleek, not all the other deviations that came up after. It also comes with a hair clip, okay? So you put the center of this, okay? The center of the Go Sleek curler in the center of your head. I like to put mine right there. You clip it down in the center with the clip so it stays in place. You grab a piece of your hair. The smaller the amount of hair that you use, the more curls you will have. I actually do not care about that. Not today, at least. I'm just in a hurry. So here's my piece, okay? Medium-sized piece to me. I take it, I put it around the curl. You see the curler? You see, so it's right here. I'm putting it around and under. I grab more hair. We're familiar with this process because we do twists, right? So this is the new medium-sized portion. This is the old one with the Go Sleek curler in my right hand. So as I have brought it under, now it's forward, I add this to the forward hair, okay? Then I grab it with my left hand, both sides, which was the first hair that went over and under. I add it to the second hair. I twist the hair as I pull it over and under again. So we're back here. 2 strands of hair that have been pulled over and under. Now you grab the next batch. Medium, could be bigger, could be smaller, up to you. This is why you want to make sure it's detangled. So you're not doing this and you're hopefully not ripping your actual own hair, but I know this is not my hair right here, okay? So now you have your new batch, your new medium-sized piece in your left hand. You bring it over the Go Sleek, you add it to your right hand. You twist as you bring it under the Go Sleek curler, okay? And you do that again and again. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like at the end. And then for the ends, once you have no more hair on that side, you just wrap it around yourself the same way. I'm wrapping it around, I'm twisting it while I wrap it around the curler. I obviously have to look at myself when I do this, so it's not that I'm not looking at y'all, but I have to see what I'm doing too. Okay, we get to the end. We have this little piece at the end. I try and smooth it around as best as I can, and then that's when I use the hair tie, the silk hair tie. You make sure it's right on top of the hair, the last of the hair that you were smoothing down, and you tie this around the curler until it is stabilized. So we do the same thing that we did on the other side. We grab a piece, make sure we can get through. We take the hair over on this side. We twist as we go under. I twisted the opposite direction. Doesn't matter which direction, whatever feels comfortable for you, but we know that we go over and under the curler. I add the medium amount of hair to the left hand, the hand that went over and under. while I make sure that I can get all the way through the ends. I grab them both. I bring them again over and under as I twist towards the back. This could be one piece, this could be two pieces. I think I have a lot left at the end, so I'm gonna make it two. Last. Put them together. You wrap it around itself till it's smooth. Then you hold it, bring the hair tie around on the smooth part, wrap it around 3 times, or however many times you can get it around. Now, I can't see this part, but I'm gonna try and explain it. So we have these 2 ends, and they're malleable. So you bring them around, and I twist these around each other. Okay. And that is the hair crown. You obviously remove this. I then put a bonnet on to go to sleep. I wake up, I either walk around like this if I think it looks cute and it works with the outfit, or I take it down and now my hair is curly. I hope that tutorial worked for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you tried it. And Go Sleek is Black owned, so get to it. I'm pretty sure they have the black one on their website. I also got the silver one, but again, this only looks like a hair crown because it's black. When it's silver, it looks a little strange. I'm not gonna lie to you, it looks a little strange. So yeah, this is my recommendation, get the black one. But the silver one was on sale. That's how I ended up with the silver one, and then I ended up getting the black one. I'll see you next week.
To a fanny up, I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road.